Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, your automotive advisor in the sales department at Randy Kuehl Honda. Today's video is to show you guys how to adjust your volume for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So let's say, for example, you're driving down the road, you get your Apple Maps, Google Maps going, the voice is telling you, hey, 50 feet, turn left. Well, you also get the music. You can adjust that volume when it tells you 50 feet, turn left, so you can hear it, or you can turn it down so it's not screaming at you, okay? Let's go jumping into a Honda right now, and let's get that adjusted right now. All right, so the first step, you guys want to make sure you have your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto active. As you can clearly see right now, we have an Apple CarPlay going on. We're at the navigation here. Android Auto is going to be the same way on how to set this up, all right? So basic controls you want to use, you can use your volume knob here, or you can use the volume here on the steering wheel, all right? Just the whole point is when the Siri or Bixby or Google is speaking to you, you adjust the volume at that point when it's talking. So that way you can adjust the volume to make it louder or quieter from there. So for example, I'm going to click and hold down this button right here just to get it to talk to me. I'm going to tell it to tell me a joke. Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
I love playing tricks on vampires. They're such suckers.
And there we go. As you can see, it's the same way as you will do it at the steering wheel, all right? You guys have any other questions? Feel free to drop them down below. I'll do my best to answer those. Thanks for watching.